Welcome to Kemi's Frank channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you what I will do if I'm to start forex trading afresh. So watch this video from now to the end. You must definitely learn one new thing that you can use in adding to your trading career. Alright? If you're a new beginner, this video is meant for you, okay? Because most traders, when they start forex, they make this kind of mistakes, which I'm going to spot here in this video. Now we'll go for a short break. Then when we come back, I'll give you the 5 things I will do if I'm to start forex this year, 2024. Welcome back, guys. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I will treat forex as a scam. Okay, I will see forex trading as a scam. You heard me right. What do I mean? First of all, this forex market is not as people present it. Okay, that's the fact. It's not all rosy, it's not all juicy. Forex trading demands a lot from us, okay? And then it is always ready to take people's stop losses. So if I'm to start forex trading afresh, the first mentality I will have is this market I'm going to go into is a scam. So that when I see it as a scam, I will now approach it with the right approach it demands. Because if you see it as a standard environment where you can make money with ease, you keep blowing account bomber to bomber. In fact, when I started forex, I started checking up on cars I will buy online. I checked on Mercedes-Benz, Toyota Camrys, and Avalon Ship, all those kinds of cars, because I already believe that yes, I've arrived. And because of that mentality of seeing forex as an easygoing environment, I started blowing up accounts.
Let's be poor. Breathe.
Now, first of all, see forex as a scam. That will make you strategize. That will make you prepare for the war ahead. Alright? The second thing I will do in forex, if I should start afresh, is this. I will trade demo account for 2 years. Okay? I will trade demo account for 2 years. You know, this is almost impossible for traders these days to trade a demo account for 1 year, 2 years, and you're still trading a demo account. When I started, in fact, I traded demo for like 1 week, 2 weeks. Then I funded account. I started funding account, and then I blew up so many accounts. If I should check the number of the amount of money I've blown in forex, it should be like over 3,000 USD, and that money is a lot in today's currency. Now, because we are always wanting to cash out, trying to make money, we forget that we need to lay a foundation first before we talk about making profit. If you are trading with a demo account, that will give you time to practice all strategy you have been learning from all sources. You can test run strategies. It is the same thing as a real account, just that the emotions, right? The emotions is not that attached to it as people claim. But the truth is, if you treat demo as a real account, it becomes a real account for you. Some people cry when they lose money in demo account. That's the fact. So if I'm to start afresh, I will stick to demo and demo alone. Stick to demo and demo alone, and I'll do it for 2 years. Or minimum of 1.5 years, all right? That will help me strategize. That will help me master a particular strategy. That will help me test a strategy over a long period of time. That is it. The third thing I will do if I should start forex trading today is this. I will start with SMC and ICT strategy. Now, the strategy I'm using today is not wholly SMC and ICT. It is modified to my standard right now. But I know that if I had started with SMC and ICT, this journey would have been faster than it was, alright? But the thing is this, I started with trend lines, support and resistance, all this kind of stuff, and they didn't help me. Remember, this video is my personal opinion, my own personal experience with the market. Trendline strategy works for some persons, and that is cool. You discover what works for you, and then you make money with it. But if you are using a particular strategy for like 3 to 4, 5, 6 years, and it's not yet working for you, I will recommend you change that strategy. If it is a trendline strategy and you have used it for 10 years, 9 years and it's not working for you, I recommend, with all due respect, sir, change that strategy.
Let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them.
But if you're just new to the strategy, test run it for some time, and if it works for you perfectly, then go with it. But in my personal opinion, I would have wished I started with SMC and ICT strategy, because that shows me the structure of the market, that shows me blocks where market reverses, and then with that I will be able to rearrange it and find their manipulations, inducements, and what do they call it, and liquidities. So with this strategy, I would have been better today, but I started with trend lines, believing that yes, this is what it is. But each time I draw my trend line with all those confluences, allow it to come to the resistance, let there be support, 3 confluences, 5 confluences, and then most time when they come there, they break that trend line and enter and pierce through my head. They will break my stop loss and enter into my head, and then because of that, I have to leave the strategy. I did this for years before I now switched into ICT, SMC. Then started learning the ICT, SMC. Then things became easier, and then from there, I now saw so many things that led to my current trading strategy today. So if I'm to start Forex today, I will start learning SMC and ICT first. Alright, so that is my opinion. If you want to do SMC, ICT, you can also go and check up on the contents. They are all there on YouTube. Then you will know how to go about it, and then start practicing them on a demo account. Now, the fourth thing I'm going to do if I'm to start Forex trading afresh today is this. I'm going to watch less YouTube videos. When I started Forex trading, in fact, I downloaded a lot of content that concerns Forex trading. I will download from Content A, Mr. Content B, Mr. Content C, D, C, all traders. I downloaded a lot of videos. In fact, I have more than 1,000 video content about Forex trading. Every weekend, I must be on YouTube trying to watch one strategy or another, from one strategy to another strategy to another strategy. And then one thing with these content creators is that they are ready to give you content forever and ever. They will produce content, and then the title will be, "This strategy will make you $12 million." Next tomorrow, you will see another upload, another content that will make you 30 billion naira. And they are ready to readjust, maintain, or change or alter things in the strategy just to come up with a new content. And they keep on watching, following them, and then securing a lot of losses. So what it is the YouTube you should watch is just to give you a framework that this is Forex trading, where you can trade and make money. Now the market is made up of liquidities and all that. Then get a framework. All you just need is a framework. Then videos that can give you that this is how Forex is, that the market is fashioned to move in uptrend, downtrend, and ranging market. Now the rest of the work is left for you to do it. I must be honest with you. YouTube is just to give you a direction. Okay, follow this way. Then you now follow that way and find other ways that can make you money in Forex. That is what it is. Okay, downloading millions of videos, jumping from one content to another content will do you more harm than good. That is a personal experience. I am talking out of experience. Watching one concept from another concept to another concept, every day, every weekend you are into YouTube videos looking for content will do you more harm than good. I will suggest you study a particular Forex trader that you can trust, and then from his profits and history, all right, and you know that, okay, this person is profitable, then you pay him and learn what he's doing, than jumping from YouTube content to another content. If you have been doing this for years, 5 years, 6 years, and you're still doing it in this 2024, come on, you should ask yourself a question. Will I continue like this? So make up your mind and do the work at once. Those things you are watching there will not set you free, will not save you, because to get the real content is as difficult as putting a thread in the eyes of a needle. Okay, let me give you an example, a clear example. There is this content creator I met that year. I met him, I won't mention his YouTube channel's name for security reasons. Now, this guy, he has a lot of subscribers, over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, right? Now, he has over 7,000 Telegram subscribers. His contents are standard. In fact, what he does there is, on YouTube, is teaching you ICT, SMC strategy. Everything is standard. Concept is there, analysis is there. He teaches Forex like, in fact, he's a good teacher. When you follow his videos, You see how it's breaking down things, explaining videos, explaining change of character, explaining pullback, explaining inducement, other blocks. In fact, every week he produces no less than 4 videos discussing about educational material. But let me shock you, he doesn't trade Forex. He uploads this content for you to watch and trade Forex, but he doesn't trade. In his Telegram channel, in his Telegram community, he drops signals, maybe 3 signals in a year. Alright? Each time, maybe in a week, he'll be like, guys, be careful with this week, market is not really good. Next week, guys, we have NFP this week, be careful with the trades. He will not send a trade setup, but he continue uploading video tutorials on how to make money, and you yourself, you're not even making the money with the strategies which you are teaching the public. So that is to show you that yes, this system of Forex, this environment is a place where the smarter ones outsmart the lazy ones or the dullants. So for you to be successful in the game, you have to use your number 6. Okay, the work is mainly on your desk. You are to do the work. Just get a framework. Check some of the things you are doing. All right. Check how. Yeah, this is how SMC. Okay, this is how trend line. Okay, this is what you are saying about it. Go to the chart and confirm it. See how they do it, because the chart is there from the time you can do a long back test and see how some of these things will work out. Then you can now come up with your own strategy and call it your name. For instance, I can boldly call my trading strategy Frank strategy, not SMC, not SMC. I will call it Frank strategy because it is what I have discovered from the Forex chart and I'm proud of it. All right. Now let's go to the final point, which is the final point of making you profitable, and what I will do if I am to start afresh this year is this. Follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, follow my Telegram channel group, because this year I'm going to give you facts. I'm going to give you points which is going to advance your trading career. I'll be honest in all my reviews here on this YouTube channel, and my signals, by the grace of God, we are dropping 80% profit every week. Our signals will hit profit most of the time. So you can join the Telegram signal group and then be part of the family or part of the community. Let us move this year to the sky. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to recommend anything for us, our what do you call it? Our handles, our Telegram channel link that is for direct contact is there. My WhatsApp number is also there. You can put me through on calls, on chats only. Then we can discuss business. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.